and how these sequential control is designed. Machine interface or workstation, isn't it? Then there will be subgroup control. Complete plant each one is the as well as for turbine. There are subgroup controls. Then after subgroup control, just like in turbine, turbine control is the subgroup control. Turbine control is subgroup control, and in subgroup control there are subgroup controls. Just like SGC oil, subgroup control oil. Then subgroup control fluid. Then subgroup control evacuation. Subgroup control drains. These are the subgroup controls. Complete turbine control is divided into 4 to 5 parts in subgroups. Then after that there will be subloops. Lower level of subgroup control will be the subloop control. Suppose in oil system there are different type of oils. Just lubricating oil, jacking oil, emergency pumps, drain oil, waste oil. This will be considered as the subloop, considered in the subloop control. Then, for instance, we've taken this lubricating oil. Then for lubrication, there will be various drives. Oil pump 1, oil pump 2, oil pump 3, DC oil pump. It will go to the drive control, isn't it? And in drive control, as in subloop control, there will be just yesterday we have discussed about this redundancy. Suppose I require 2 pumps, there will be 3 pumps, as the process is critical, and it will work as the auto standby mode. Suppose if there is any problem in the running pump, then automatically it will detect the fault and it will give command to the standby pump. This care is taken in the subloop control. Drive control will take its own control. Consider any pump. Oil pump number 1. Its control will be in that only. In that drive control. Just like how the drive works, you can understand here. One thing, just as we have discussed yesterday, it will give command to the drive, this controller, as well as it will, on what basis it will give command? Definitely it take care of its feedback. It will take feedback for its protection as well as its control. It will function of the drive control. It will be just closed loop feedback, we can say. Both control system will be used here. It will be sequential as well as in the, if you are taking feedback, then it will be on feedback control also. It will give command to the MCC, means manager control cubicle, and it is the electrical panel. MCC is the electrical panel. This 24-volt signal will go to the MCC, and it will give command with through the interposing relay to the drive. Then it will take feedback also for protection of the drive. There will be two type of feedbacks. One will be the electrical for the protection of that equipment of that motor, and another will be the process feedback. Suppose if there is any pump, this is a lubricating oil pump. Oil pump will definitely it will be driven by the motor, isn't it? It will be it may be single phase or three phase. It will this MCC will take care of this electrical signal. You know, it's under voltage, over current, phase failure. If it is three phase, it will be taken feedback in the MCC room. And process signal. What will be the process signal? If the oil level is low, then will it safe to run the lube oil pump? No. If the oil temperature is not maintaining, if there is no flow of the oil, should you run the pump?
No,
No.
sir.
Yeah,
No,
will
sir.
not run there. At that time, the signal, this process signal will be configured to the DCS and drive control. And according to the viability of this signals or this process and the equipments considering this safety, that drive control will issue the commands. It will take care. And what subloop control will do? Suppose any drive is not working or it is unsafe to work. Definitely it will go to the trip condition trip command will go to that drive. Then subloop control will take care of that one. It will sense its inability to run, then it will give to the command to the standby equipment, standby drive. That standby drive will pick up and it will do the work. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Suppose in case of in severe fault, if there is line puncture, discharge puncture, or there is no sump oil level, what will happen? That pump also will also trip
Yes, sir.
its own protection. Then there will be no lube oil, isn't it? Will it safe to run the equipment or this turbine in that case? No. It will not safe to run the turbine. Then in this case, it will give signal to the subgroup control. You will say, I am not able to run the generate the lube oil. Then subgroup control will take care of that one, and it will trip the. You will give a trip signal to turbine. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
all will work in the cascading. Everyone is involved. With that signal or command flow will be from top to bottom as well as from bottom to top. Isn't it? It will obey the order. The drive control or this will obey the order of the subgroup control or subloop control, as well as that subgroup control or subloop control will take care of or take cognizance of the feedback of the drive control also. Will it not? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any doubt about this one?
Sir, here, what is the work of subloop control? What is the work of sub-loop controls?
Yeah. Just we are discussing about this. Suppose suppose there are 2 or 3 lubile pumps. I have given the example of this. Its purpose is to maintain the lubile to the turbine, and it has 3 or 4 slaves, 3 or 4 lubile pumps. Its function is to maintain the lubile or to generate the lubile with specific parameters. Specific parameters. Yeah, it is its function. And he has given 4 pumps. That 4 pumps have its own drive control. They will take care of their own parameters, own equipment, own instruments. It will take care, isn't it?
Sir.
Suppose
Okay.
for maintaining the lubile, for full load we require 2 pumps. Designer has given the 3 pumps due to criticality. Suppose any one pump trip, then unit may suffer generation. Not to suffer for the generation, it has given 3 pumps. Then the subloop control will take care of that one. If anyone unable to operate or do its work, then it will give command to the third one, which is in a standby mode, isn't it? Just like in our human behavior also. Suppose consider your Jeep structure. Just your coordinator is Anupam sir.
Yes, sir.
You consider yourself in the position of driver. Just we have to organize the classes. They must have there must be students, isn't it? There must be teachers also, isn't it? These are the requirements. There will definitely some problems will be there, some limitations will be there, but we have to do that work. We have to run the classes. You will take care of yourself only. If there are 20 students, you individual will take care of yourself, isn't it? If he has given the command that at least 20 students must be there, and there must be presenter also and the teacher also. It is given command by your principal, sir. Take. In your principal, sir, control, Pragyan sir is also there. He may be assigned any other work. Madam will may be there. Then another Durgesh ji will be there.
Hello, sir.
Sound problem लग रहा है.
Sir. स्ट्रक हो गया क्या?
हेलो सर. सर, डॉक्टर सर.
सर शायद डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है शायद.
सर डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं हुए हैं यार.
तो आवाज का प्रॉब्लम होगा, साउंड.
उनके पास से आवाज का प्रॉब्लम. फिर से मैं उनको
सर शायद उनका म्यूट बटन प्रेस कर दिए होंगे मे बी.
हाँ, हो सकता है वो म्यूट बटन दबा दिए होंगे, क्योंकि उनको भी देख लेते हैं इधर.
सर तो नहीं दिख रहा.
सर
डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. सर डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया.
पार्टिसिपेट्स होने शो कर रहे हैं.
हाँ सर, डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया सर. ठीक है, कॉल कर लेता हूँ. रुक जाओ सर, खुद ही डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया. यार सबको तो ये कर दिया, सर को बार बार इन्विटेशन भेज रहे हैं, सर ले नहीं रहा है।
Yeah,
हाँ सर,
yeah, and I come back. Huh?
हाँ सर, ओके सर।
There are some yeah. What we are discussing about this to understand the this control philosophy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then in that case, what you will do? You will take care of yourself, isn't it? Your target is to attend the class. To attend the class, you will take your own feedback. You will get command also. If there is any problem with you, you will try to solve by yourself. To attend at 9:30. Is it not? Yeah. If
Yes.
there is any problem with you, if you are not able to attend, then what you will do? You will inform to Anupam sir. Definitely, na, you will inform to Anupam sir. Then Anupam sir target that there must be at least 20 attendees. Then what he will do? He will contact to other persons or other students. He will request them that please do it. If it is possible, you attend. Suppose he is also not able to attend. And that minimum requirement is 20. If it is not possible from him to gather the 20 students, what he will do? He will discuss with the principal sir. Sir, it is not possible to cater the minimum quantity of the students. What shall I do now? He will take decision, and according to his decision, he may suspend that class also. Yeah, because it is not sufficient this prerequisite to start the class. Means in this position you are in the drive control. Anupam sir is in subloop control, and your principal sir is in subgroup control.
Subgroup control.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Get it?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Same analogy is used in power plant also. Is in drive control, subloop control, SGC control, and here these three parts are part of the secondary instrumentation of the DCS or PLC. Yeah, up to this we are in DCS and PLC. Then MCC and signals. MCC is in electrical panel. Then drive is in field. The signals or feedback signals, it may be at the drive as well as in the process also, in the field. Is it correct? Let me know. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is simple. You can utilize this analogy to understand the power plant operation or power plant control. Definitely there is hierarchy. Just like in human management, we see that there is a hierarchy. Same case is in the power plant also. Same hierarchy we are maintaining here also. Same philosophy you are using to do to give the feedback as well as from the end responses also. Command also. Same case. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Definitely it is. It must be at the understandable level. Do you anyone have doubt about it?
No, sir.
किसी को होगा बताइए. बोलिए आप लोग कुछ रहा तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बट ये हमको समझना चाहिए. Okay. Then how it is configured? There is in turbine in machinery system there is turbine. In turbine there is ATRS, automatic turbine run-up system. When we run the turbine, or we rule or we take plant in operation, we follow that one. Sequentially, it will work. As you have done on-job training and operation, or this or in this similar training, you must have overview about that one. What is the sequence in starting with the turbine? Can anybody tell me about what is the sequence of the running of the turbine? Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So means what you want to ask me, the operation of the turbine or just the operation?
Yeah. What is the operation?
So firstly, the steam goes to the aspect turbine, and
Sir, firstly,
then
lube
it
oil
go-
system will on.
Pardon?
Turbine lube oil system will on firstly.
Yeah. Turbine lube system will on definitely. Yeah, we'll go for the turbine lube oil system. We
Then we
Then
start the
EOP starts.
we make ready
Starts.
the yeah, we will first we make the cooling water system, then turbine lube oil systems, then
Then EOP starts at 2 kg pressure.
yeah,
Then at 7 kg pressure, AOP will start.
correct.
Then
EOP will be
Yeah,
off.
lube oil system we can
Then EOP will
first
stop.
we will start the lube oil system, then we will go for the control oil system.
Yes, sir.
The two systems will be there. Then after that
Yes, sir.
we will go steam cycle, isn't it? We'll go for the
Yes,
steam
sir.
cycles, and then according to the criteria that operating criteria, we'll go ahead. There will be small systems also there. There will be generators, primary water system, then cooling gas systems. They will be operative, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Yes.
And according to that sequence, it will go ahead. Sequentially, it will operate. First lube oil system, then control fluid system, then after that control systems, we will go for this steam cycle. Then we will make ready the generator also. Side by side, we will charge the generator systems. Drains. We will open the drains if there is condensate. Then it will be detrimental to the plant life. It will give the heating. It will, yeah. In this way, we will go ahead. That program is the sequential control program is there, and it will give command according to this requirement. Yeah. This is the what is ATRS? ATRS. Just we have discussed about the SGC turbine, then oil supply, SGC control fluid, drains, extraction, fire protection channel 1, 2, all will be there. This will be part of this ATRS, automatic turbine run system. Yeah, it will be clear when you visit to the plant or in simulator. You can revisit to the simulator. Definitely, it will give idea about this one. It will give more clarity. Then sequential logics. Yeah, this is about the turbine cycle and station. This is just these mimics are there. Then that what we have discussed about that one. It will take feedback. On the basis of feedback, it will go step by step. Will it not? Definitely in each step there will be step control. It will take feedback. After getting the feedback, it will give the command. After giving the command, what will happen? That drive or equipment will start or stop, or you to take action After taking to take action, definitely there will be take some time. Yeah. For electrical signal, it's okay. There will be no delay at all. Just I give command. It will reach to the drive. There will be no transmission or communication delay. But what will happen in the mechanical system? Definitely there will be delay, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Some operating time will be there. If there is any damper, consider in damper. Damper will open slowly. Will it not? How damper works? There will be electrical actuator. There will be gear. Suppose electrical actuator operating at 1500 RPM, the motor speed will be that one. Then that will actuator operate with the same speed? No.
No, sir.
No,
There will be
sir,
reduction gear.
they are provided for the control operation, sir. So though they
Yeah.
operate at as we provide the signal.
Yeah, but it will operate slowly. There will be reduction gear.
Yes, sir.
There will be
Yes, sir.
reduction gear, and according to that reduction gear, it will operate. It may take 20 minutes, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 50 seconds. After the operating that damper, there will be limit switch. It will give signal that the drive is operated now, isn't it? And after getting that signal, it will wait for some time after getting the signal for stabilizing the process, and after that it will give the command to next stage. Will it not?
Yes, sir.
Definitely in process, when there is on and off, there will be definitely turbulence. If you open the gate, suddenly if you open the gate, then definitely there will be turbulence. After some time, it stabilizes. It is the waiting time or monitoring time. These are the parts of the ATS system, that command, feedback, monitoring time, and waiting time. If any feedback is not available, what will happen? It will not give command to the next step. It will alert to operator that please do what is the problem is there. Do the actuator is operated, do the damper is operated, but I am not getting the open feedback. Then what operator will do? After go to the analyze the problem. What is the problem is there? If there may be problem with the limit switch itself, there may be jamming of the damper.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there may be under travel, or it may be worn out. Anything may be there. At that time, operator will intervene and do the needful. In this way, this sequence will go. Yeah, these are the sequences. I will not go in detail about these sequences. Definitely, you may be knowing about that, or you can get it, isn't it? Our purpose is to understand the philosophy. Yeah, you can see that there is this step-by-step operation is there. Step by step. If one stage completed, then you go to second stage completed, then you go to third step. Thus, we go up to the synchronization and minimum loading of the turbine or the generator. Isn't it? This is startup control, startup logic. Same case is with the shutdown logic also. If you want to shut down the plant, what you will do? Yeah. On protection will trip the turbine. Yeah. Just it will be the reverse process.
Yes, sir.
Uh, in a startup, that steam rolling was the last step, or synchronization was the last step. Here, synchronization will be the first step. Will it not? We will
Yes, sir.
desynchronize machine. Then we will cut off the steam of the turbine. After that, we'll if it is the long shutdown, then we'll go for cutting the lube oil, then control fluid, then lube oil. Will it not? Just reverse it.
Yes.
This will be there.
Yes, sir.
In this way, we can. Yeah. Yeah, I will go and deep with this control philosophy. Yeah, I will share with you how this control philosophy works. We will go some in detail about this control philosophy, that it will be helpful to you to understand this one. There are so many types of drives in just you can see that yeah. And this ATRS is in there are some modes also. There is one is the fully automatic. If you get the feedback of that step, automatically if after getting the feedback and after waiting time, it will go to the next step, next step, next step. In this way, up to the sink and medium loading of the turbine. But if you don't want fully automatic and we require some intervention of the human being or operator, then we can go for the semi-automatic mode also. Semi-automatic mode, what will it do? It will give command according to the feedback. Suppose one step is completed. Suppose stop valve is opened. After getting the feedback or the criteria completion, it will not go to the next step. Operator will check it, whether next step is okay or not, or of any time is required, then it will give command to the next step. That will be the semi-automatic mode. Then operator test mode. It will be the in this operator test mode, we will get the feedback. The system will get the feedback and give the indication that everything is okay. But it will not issue the command at all. That step also. Only it will check the feedbacks, and accordingly it will give confidence or feedback to the operator. The same case is in LV drives also. Then we were discussing about in drive control.